In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds in BloFin. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, and then from here on your dashboard, you want to go to add funds up top right. And as you can see, you could either buy crypto or you could go and deposit crypto. So it's completely up to you if you want to buy it. I do have a separate video for that. I'm just going to quickly go over it. You want to click on buy crypto over here, and then you can select on the buy button, select how much you want to spend and what you want to receive, and you just have to select your payment method. Of course, type in the payment details of your card or whatever you selected, and then you'll be able to add your funds that way. That's the first way to do it. Then the second one, which likely most of you are going to use, is the deposit crypto section. So go to deposit crypto, and then here you want to select what crypto coin you are depositing. So here it's going to say like a few of them. You could also go and search for whichever one you want as long as it's available. I'm going to go with Solana right now because I do have some of it on my MetaMask wallet over here, as you can see. And then from here you want to select your network. So I'm going to be sending over Solana network. If you're sending anything else, of course, make sure you know the correct network. It's up to you whichever one you select. Just make sure that when you're sending from your wallet, you're actually selecting the correct one. Otherwise, your funds could get lost. So I'm going to do Solana mainnet over here. And then here you're going to get your deposit details. I'm just going to click and copy it. This is your receiving address. You want to go to your wallet. You want to find your crypto over here that you want to send. In my case, it was Solana, so I have it over here. I'm going to click on Solana and then click on send. Inside address where it says to, you want to paste in the address you get over here in BloFin and then the amount as well. So I'm going to do 0.0, let's do 0.005 like this. There we go, 38 cents. And then you want to click on the continue button. Now, when you do this here, it's going to show you kind of the all the summary. So as you can see here, network is Solana mainnet, same as here, which is correct. Then just hit the confirm button or something similar, depending on which MetaMask or whichever different wallet you're using. And from here, you'll see that after just a few seconds, up to a few minutes, it's going to actually show that specific amount of crypto inside your account over here. Usually, it's going to be inside assets up here and then funding or spot, okay? So you'll be able to find it. Usually takes like a minute or two for it to actually come over, and that's really all you have to know. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.